Jai's Lao Adventures. Discover festivals, food, and fun in the heart of Laos. Meet Jai, the friendliest elephant in all of Laos. Dressed in the colorful traditional clothes of Laos, Jai loves to share fun stories about his homeland. Are you ready to explore Lao culture, food, and festivals with Jai? One of Jai's favorite places is the ancient temple of Wat Pho. As he walks among the ancient stone carvings, he feels the history of Laos come to life. The temple sits peacefully on the hillside, overlooking the valley below. The quiet beauty of Wat Pho makes Jai feel calm and connected to the stories of the past. Pi Mai Lao, or Lao New Year, is one of the happiest times of the year. Jai loves water fights and seeing the temples decorated with flowers. Everyone is smiling, and there's a lot of delicious food to enjoy. It's dinner time. Jiao's favorite food is sticky rice, the heart of every Lao meal. He also loves lap, a special minced meat salad that's mixed with herbs and spices. What's your favorite food? During the rocket festival, everyone builds their own rockets and shoots them high into the sky. Jai watches excitedly as colorful rockets soar above, bringing excitement and laughter to the village. Jai taps the kong, a traditional Lao drum, with steady hands. As the rhythm echoes through the villagers gather around, clapping and swaying to the beat. The joyful sounds of the drum fill the air, bringing everyone together in celebration of Lao culture. Jai loves to explore the beautiful jungles of Laos. The trees are tall, and the air smells fresh and clean. He often meets his animal friends like the slow loris and the Asian black bear, who also live in the jungle. Every weekend, Jai visits the bustling local market. It's full of delicious smells, bright fruits, and smiling people. He loves buying fresh vegetables, exotic fruits, and sometimes even treats like sweet coconut cakes. Jai loves taking peaceful boat rides along the Mekong River. As he drifts along in a wooden boat, he watches fishermen casting their nets and listens to the gentle sound of the water. Sometimes he even sees the rare Awadi dolphins playing in the river. The Mekong is full of life and wonder, and Jai feels happy to be a part of it. One of Jai's favorite events is the Lao River Festival. Boats decorated with bright flowers and lanterns sail down the river at night, glowing in the dark and filling the air with laughter and excitement. Thank you for joining Jai on this wonderful adventure through Laos. From exploring the jungles to celebrating festivals and visiting ancient temples, there's always more to discover. Jai waves goodbye for now, but he can't wait to show you even more of his beautiful country next time. Sokdi, goodbye and good luck.